I learned about this hunting aspect of nature and explore a vital topic we call acid rain. So, what is this phenomenon that we call acid rain? Well, we all know that rain clouds are formed of pure water, but sometimes gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrous dioxide chemically react with water and oxygen in the atmosphere and fall back to Earth in form of acid rain. Firstly, the type of acid rain that contains water is called wave deposition, and secondly, whereas the acid rain formed with dust and gases is called dry deposition. Well, it's important to understand that normal rain is already a little acidic. Well, falling towards the ground, the rain dissolves with carbon dioxide from the atmosphere that form carbonic acid with pH of 6. But when we burn fossil fuels that release gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, a much stronger acid can get into our rain to form acid rain with pH 3, which is increase the acidity of rain significantly high. But how do these gases reach the atmosphere? Well, there are two main sources for it. Firstly, its natural source like rotting vegetable and erupting volcanoes release some chemical that can cause acid rain. But most acid rain is a product of human activities like burning of fossil fuels, smoke coming from vehicles, chemical release from the factories. Did you caught it? Okay, let me explain more detail. Firstly, about natural source. Rain intakes some sulfur to cloud that they obtain from potassium sulfate and already present in salts. The sulfate is compressed through the roots as the sulfur atom bonds with carbon atom in the leaf body. And after a million of years, when this plant eventually die and turn to coats, this sulfur atom and carbon atom remain intact, and we will burn to fossil these type plants are released into the atmosphere as sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. And when the sunlight hits the gas, a chemical reaction takes place where the sulfur dioxide reacts with more oxygen to form sulfur trioxide that eventually mixes with the rainwater to create sulfuric acid. Next, example for human activities. Similarly, when our vehicles release nitrogen oxide into the atmosphere, they react with more oxygen and mix with rainwater to form nitric acid. Okay, now we know how the rain turns to acid. So, let us learn its effect on our environment. Acid rain has many ecological effects. Primarily on lakes, rivers, and other aquatic environments. Acid rain makes such water more acidic, which results in more aluminum absorption from salt, which is carried into lake and river, that making the water toxic for aquatic animals to survive. Not only that, acid rain harms forests as well by damaging leaves and robbing the soil of essential nutrition and making it difficult for trees to consume water. So that's how acid rain happens. Okay. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.